Misty. Yeah, I know Hugo is coming. Hugo, you're having this about an hour early, so you shouldn't be hungry. Let me see what's in that crop. Yes, you've got some in there. But we gotta take Sophie home. Come on, darling. Luna. Yeah, I know. Here we go, down the slide. Hang on, Luna's doing a slide. On the towel.
Uh-oh.
Sophie's made you a lovely bed, clean bed. Come on, Kuta. Kuta. Oh, Kuta's not in the mouth. Kuta, wait, it's not in your mouth. Say, what have you put in this?
Just dropped a quake. A quake.
Oh, Kuta, really? Really?
He looks so smug and he's like, yeah, and I just did that. Cool, right?
He knows this is a different taste. The others don't care, they just say, yeah, whatever, just give us the food. There you go, alright. Thank you.
Okay, now
Yeah.
eruption.
Oh, what's down there on you?
Birdie eruption.
Hey?
Birdie eruption. He's like, yes, that was amazing.
I know. Come on. Hugo just likes food. I don't care what it is.
Oh, and he's still spitting it all over the place.
Come on, Luna, you're a good girl. Luna. Come on, lazy bones. Come on, off you get.
Poison. Poison, everyone. Poison.
Come on, Kuta. Oh, I'm hanging on tight here.
Oh, no.
Okay. Shh. So keep the noise down.
Oh, no.
Come here. You just slipped. Here. There we go. You just slipped.
And in
You're
the
all right.
end, they don't like apples and bananas.
Oh, they do. They do.
The video's gone to 3 minutes.
Can you knock that off?